Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystem.com, making this small video about US dollar index and after NFP. So I made a video yesterday before NFP, and I said that, well, this is what one of my chart. I had two scenarios, right? Upside and downside. The borderline is 1753. So this is the upside scenario that if we, I said that we get some good news for USD, FOMC or NFP is going to go to the upside. And if bad news, then it will go stay below 1753 and go to the downside. So this is exactly what happened. After FOMC, little drop, and then NFP, more bad news, and then it came down all the way here, bouncing from this TL. But it bounced actually. It didn't stay there to the downside. It just bounced, right? So why? That's the question. So some saying that it's a bad news, some saying that it's a solid news and solid numbers because it's just a small bump in the road to inflation and of inflation. So now we might go back on track again to the upside. That is a possibility as long as we stay above these couple of numbers, which are 1465, 1424. I mean 1423, right? So if we stay above that these numbers, then yeah, maybe we're gonna go to the upside again. And if not, then we might drop, right? So pay attention to that, and everything goes accordingly. If it goes to the upside, the USD is gonna get strong, and what will happen is this will happen. So this is my weekly chart. If USD gets strong, this thing is going to drop, right? So if this is dropping, then this scenario will come into play. This is like wave 1, 2, and then this, 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. So 5-wave, Elliott wave to the downside, as well as this harmonic pattern. Right now, there is a pattern which we call Gertley pattern, right? So this is where we are sitting here. If you pull the fib from here to here, this is 61%, 23%, then 78% and bounce. But we are not having a solid bounce. You can see that, right? So it may drop. If it stays below 0761, it may drop. And if we're gonna drop, we're gonna drop to the 61% of 2324. 0324, sorry, right? So this is the route that we will take to the downside. But like I said, that this is what happened after FOMC and NFP, USD start getting weaker. So then upside scenario will come to play, and that would be, see this Gertley pattern, it was in place and then start to go up slowly, but now it's catching up some speed. So if we stay below 0761, it's going to go to the upside. Similarly, if USD gets weaker, then pound USD chart will also go to the upside. Do I have pound USD here? No, but let's go take a look at what the pound USD is doing. And we have to give a little time to, maybe like Monday, first or two session, then London session will decide maybe. So anyway, weekly chart to the top side. This is the chart. I made this chart earlier. Where is that chart? I don't know where to go. But anyway, so this is the chart I made when it was here. And I said that, bouncing from 23% line and 2308, it will go to the upside. So after today, it went up, came down a little bit, but staying above 2447. So if it stays above 2447 and continue to go to the upside, then we have a shot at on the long side. So this is Euro USD and Pound USD. And US dollar index. Similarly, if I just want to show that, why I have these upside, and see, this is the downside. If just in case USD gets strong, stronger, then go below 2447, then we will drop, right? So what is this basically is this. Now, we have this Gertley pattern in place, so it can go to the upside, right? But there are places like pound USD, completely different chart, right? But it is like from here, here, and then it is here right now at 23% line. So this is what it is. If you have something like this, that, X, this is A, B, C at 23% line, we have a choice that might go to the upside in this fashion or drop first back to 61, 78%, 61% or 78% or 88%. Excuse me, and then go to the upside. Other version that I want to show you that is this. This is what happened in these different points. If this is a main move, then it's a B point, then C, either it's gonna go up or drop. And if drop, then it can go like this, and drop and then go up and then drop. This is what the Euro USD is doing right now, right? It is right here, actually right here. So after this, and it may go to the upside or drop, right? So these are fib levels, very, very important. This fib thing is very important to understand that how fib work, not only how to draw it properly, but what level comes after what level. So you can see that, draw the fib from here to here. So it comes here and then bounce from 78, then going back exactly to 23, then dropping and then bouncing from 68. So, what the heck, what is cooking? And then if you pull the fib from here to here, then you see that this is 78, then it came down to 23, so that usually it produce this 127 outcome. So these are the different calculation, right? It doesn't matter, Elliott wave or harmonic pattern, they are both the same thing. The main thing is Elliott Fibonacci tool. You must learn the Fibonacci tool to use the right way. Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension, and Fibonacci expansion, right? To find the target, the other two. And then understand these levels, that what comes after what, right? So this is what between, I don't want to go on the other different things, but this is what it is. Pound, Euro USD and Pound USD. Now, let me show you at the same time the trades for this week. You know what? I'll make another video of that. I don't want to make a long video, right? So it was 2-minute trades today. So maybe like around 30. Not today, I mean this week. So and then yen intervention, big trades in yen pairs. I'll show that in the next video. But this is what's happening. So let's take a look at the USD yen and not USD yen. USD yen is because of it's influenced by yen right now, right? So forget about that. USD-CAD, right? So what is happening right now? USD-CAD, you can see here that it was coming off of this number 3793. So my take is that my Elliott wave count is like 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then it should go to the upside for wave 5. Now, what happened is that it is here, it's stuck here, right? So this is wave 1, 2, and wave 3, wave 4, 5 to the upside. But this is where it is going up and down, up and down. So let's see what happens, right? Either way, both scenarios will affect this either up or down. So, my system, my setup, that's what we're looking for, right? Similarly, I remember yesterday video, I mentioned that I posted a long, I said that, well, look for long, the 7-minute chart, but I took the short one. So, again, I got the comment that, why did I, why didn't I post on the Telegram that I'm taking it? The thing is that, we had this week, and even regularly, if you have a couple of, if the news is out there and if the market is moving, right? So, if you are really involved in trading, then you cannot have any other activity going on. Okay, I can do, like heads up. I can give heads up before, the news that, okay, this is what's happening, and then this setup might come, and then be ready for that. But then I have to go and take care of my trades, entries, stop loss moving, and all of that, right? And if you, especially when you have 3 or 4 trades going on at the same time, then I cannot do it, right? I'm not that smart that handle different things, right? So I cannot be chatting or talking and or doing anything when the trading, the market is moving. You have to have the complete concentration on the charts and focus. It is required to do this business or trading, right? So that's one thing that I want to explain, that you must understand. I do webinars and I teach everything there, right? And the second thing that I want to mention is that I mentioned something yesterday's video that I'm not going to do. I might not do or slow down my one-on-one. So some people got scared that, I'm probably closing it. No, I'm not. I'm just making another website that eventually I'm getting old, and eventually I will slow down, or maybe, maybe a year, 2 year, 3 years, I might have to stop, right? So, I'm converting all my talks and all my thoughts into video courses. And then some of them, and my son wants to do that as well, to have his own website. Once I'm gone, he will have a business running, right? So he's taking all my videos, putting together, making courses, and then he places on the website. So let me show you this. This is a new website that he launched yesterday, and it's about the courses. It is about Elliott Wave course and harmonic pattern course and all of that. Everything else is there as well, but mainly it is about the Elliott Wave course, which is still, I have like maybe 9, 10 videos, but I'm gonna add more, like maybe around 5, 6 more videos into that course. I still have to make some videos for flat corrections, different kind of flat corrections and triangles. So I will finish that in a few days, and then it will be available in that course. But you can just go ahead and then, take advantage of that. And these courses and all of that, they are here, right? Elliott Wave harmonic pattern. And when you start watching these videos, I will, make the rest of the, well, I will make it, maybe today, over the weekend, I'll finish it, and it will be complete course. And I'm gonna make another one with only Fibonacci, explaining Fibonacci, how to use that tool properly for retracement, extensions, and for expansion to find targets in Elliott Wave. Right, so you must learn that properly, how to use it correctly, so that you can take these big amazing trades as well, right? So now also I am working on trying to learn that other station, the trading view, and so that we can switch our index things, because Light Finance is giving us problems, right? It's a Russian broker, and then they are like blocking the US residents, right? So we are having, I still have my account up and running and I can watch it, but some new people having problem with signing up. So I found those, and on TradingView, and I'm switching over the weekend. I'll make the charts, like weekly charts, all of that, because we only use those charts for analysis, right? To catch the direction, to find the direction of these indexes. And then you can trade all those pairs or whatever the broker you're using, no problem, right? You can use my system. And then maybe later on I'll change, because the trading view has Renko charts built in, right? So Renko candles. So I'm gonna try to make my EA, the expert advisor, the alarm, and the automated EA. I will convert those into that, what the language is called Pine script, right? So I will try to convert those EA and alarm in that language, so that we can use Renko charts in this TradingView platform. All right. So this is it for now. So this is my new website. The address is elliottwavemaster.com. elliottwavemasters.com, not masters and no S, elliottwavemaster.com. All right. So visit this website and look around. If you want to learn these things, and go through these courses and become master. Right. So this is it for now, and hopefully I will probably make the next video about the trades that I did using my EA robot, right? And that automated robot. This is very important, but no, I will explain next video. All right. So bye for now, and don't forget to use, subscribe my YouTube channel, right? So you can get these videos on time, so you can take advantage and learn different things, right? So if you have any question or anything, my email address is below in the description. You can, email me, ask me questions, no problem whatsoever, right? And if I have to, I will get on the Zoom and explain you different things, right? My son also can answer a lot of questions now. He is also learning very fast. So this is it for now, and I hope you guys enjoy and have a very, very wonderful weekend.